Today we will make a cute, stretchy, beginner-friendly crochet scrunchie you can finish in under 30 minutes. We will crochet around a hair elastic using single crochet and double crochet stitches. For round 1, make a slip knot and attach yarn to the hair elastic. Make 1 chain. Now repeat, single crochet stitch around the hair elastic. I crocheted 35 single crochet. If you need more ruffle, you can make total 60 single crochet stitches around. To finish the round 1, make a slip stitch at the first single crochet. To secure the stitch, insert hook from the back, and then pull the yarn loop. Cut the yarn leaving a small tail. For round 2, with white yarn make a slip knot and join to any stitch. Now make 2 chains. Also, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now, from next stitch onwards, make 3 double crochet in each stitch around. This triples the stitches and creates ruffles. Now to finish the round 2, slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. Like and subscribe for more crochet video tutorials. To secure the stitch, insert hook from the back and pull the yarn loop. Cut the yarn leaving a small tail. To enhance the beauty of the scrunchie, we will make 1 single crochet stitches around with blue color yarn. For round 3, make a slip knot and join to any stitch. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. To finish the round 3, make a slip stitch at the first single crochet. Insert hook from the back and pull the yarn loop. Cut the yarn leaning a small tail. Now for round 4, repeat the round 3 with orange color yarn. Cut the yarn leaving a small tail, and weave in ends of all the extra yarns. Beginner tips: don't crochet too tight, and experiment with colors and textures. You just finished your first crochet project. Like and subscribe for more crochet video tutorials. Happy crocheting!